You've decided that you are going to start your YouTube journey, but how'd you come up with topics for videos? And how'd you know that those topics are ones that people will be interested in? That's what we're going to talk all about today. Let's welcome back our friend from last video, Thad. Over the coming weeks, we're going to be taking Thad from being a complete YouTube beginner to successfully launching his first YouTube video. So, if you are new to YouTube, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with Thad's progress and also pick up on some tips to help you launch your first YouTube video. Coming up with video topics can be tricky. We need to balance what we are interested in, because that's what makes creating videos fun, with what people are actually searching for on YouTube. The main opportunity for small YouTube channels to grow is through YouTube search. So if you are looking to grow, you have to make content that will show up in people's YouTube search results. But how do we do that? Thad, last week you mentioned that you were unsure about creating content about muscle cars, picking up women, or prank videos. Have you decided what topic you want to create your first video about?
Yeah, man. I've decided that I want to make a video on how to pick up chicks. Yeah.
Okay, how to pick up chicks it is. That brings us to our first tip on topic choice, and that is to narrow down the topic of our video. Picking up chicks is a pretty broad topic, and there are already tons of YouTube videos about that. Some of those YouTube videos will be from more popular content creators with high subscriber counts. That means that they will get preference in YouTube search over our content. So what we have to do is make our topic slightly more specific. And what I mean by that is, instead of creating a video about why dogs are great, is we can create a video about why a certain breed of dog is great. Thad, could you give me an example of how we can make the topic of picking up chicks slightly more specific?
How to pick up chicks when you don't have money, how to pick up chicks when you're in the gym, how to pick up chicks when
Okay. Thad, those are all great ways of funneling down the topic slightly. But if you need a little help, our second tip is to use YouTube to our advantage. Thad, let's go over to the computer so I can show you what I mean. So, we can go on YouTube and add a space to the end of our video topic. So if we just type in picking up chicks space, we can see that YouTube suggests a whole bunch of ways that we can narrow down our topic. And what I like about these is, since YouTube is suggesting them, we know that they are being searched for a lot. So, to prove my point, if we just type in picking up chicks, we can use a free tool called TubeBuddy that rates how good keywords are. Picking up chicks scores a 10 out of 100. You can see that picking up chicks has a good amount of search volume, but it is really competitive, so it will be hard for our video to show up in these search results. However, if we make our keyword a little bit more specific, like picking up chicks at the gym, let's take a look at the keyword score for that. So this keyword scores 53 out of 100. We can see that there's still a good amount of search volume, but it is much less competitive. That means it's going to be a whole lot easier for our video to show up on this first page of search results and start racking up views. How'd you like the sound of that, Thad?
Oh yeah! I see the dollar signs racking up already, baby!
Awesome. Let me show you another tip on YouTube that I think you're going to love. So what I like to do is look at someone who is posting successful videos about the topic that we want to create our video about. So let's take a look at this guy. We can see that his entire channel is about meeting women.
Who is this guy? I know way more about picking up chicks than he does.
Thad, let's not get angry. Instead, let's use our competitors' data to our advantage. So what I like to do is to go into their videos, sort the videos by most popular, and then compare the view count of their most popular videos to their subscriber count. As we can see, he has 46,000 subscribers, but a whole lot of these videos have more than 150,000 views. That means that a whole lot of these videos are appealing to a much broader audience than just his diehard fans. So what I would do is take notes on what the topics of these top performing videos are, and then potentially narrow them down a little bit, put my own creative spin on them, and release videos about these topics. So all of a sudden, just by looking on YouTube for a few minutes, we have a long list of potential video ideas. What I would do is, if I enjoy creating videos on the topic, just work my way down through the list. Once I release a few videos on that topic, I can start to learn from my data. See which of these videos are performing the best, getting the most impressions, getting the most views, having the longest retention, and then start to release more videos on the topics that are performing well for me. Does that make sense, Thad?
Yeah, it actually does, man. This is radical.
One last thing to note is to make sure that you know something about the topic that you are going to create a video about. Don't just make a video about a topic because its keywords score highly in TubeBuddy, or someone made a video about the topic and it got 2 million views. Thad, are you sure that you're qualified in creating content about how to pick up women?
Yeah, dude, I do. Check this out. Hey Google, text Lindsay from Tinder. Hey, what's up? You trying to come through later? Question mark, smiley face.
Message sent. Response from Lindsay. Thad, stop bothering me. Lose my number or I will call the police.
Oh, what? Oh, come on, man.
Uh-oh. Thad, are you sure you're knowledgeable in this topic?
Yeah, dude. Believe me, I do. She's just being weird. I have plenty of other girls that I could text. But I see that Team Archon only has 8 subscribers. So are you sure that you're knowledgeable enough to be making YouTube content about how to create YouTube videos?
Thad, YouTube is not all about the subscriber count. Archon wants to grow alongside our viewers. As Seneca once said, the important thing about a problem is not its solution, but the strength we gain from finding its solution.
Whoa, man. That's deep. I guess I never thought of it like that before.
I think that's enough learning for today, Thad. This has been Luke from Team Archon. Thanks for watching another video in our YouTube for Beginners series. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We will be back right here next Wednesday as we share some tips with Thad on how to film his first YouTube video. We will see you then.